how to rent movies on Amazon Prime Video. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can rent movies on Amazon Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to rent movies on Amazon Prime Video, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to launch your Amazon Prime Video app and make sure that you're signed into the account. You can only rent a movie if Prime Video has made it available to rent, otherwise you will not be able to only just rent it, you would have to buy the whole subscription otherwise. So to find out, you can just come to the store tab from the bottom of the screen as you would be able to find it here. Once you come to the store tab, you're gonna see this type of interface where right at the top you can see rent or buy series. So basically these are the movies that are available for rent or buy. You can just go ahead and then select a specific movie that you would like to either rent or buy. Once you select that, you can see the rent movie in standard quality, which is 19.99. You can buy the movie for 24.99 as well. If you would like to rent it, you can tap the rent movie option that you can find here, and as you've done that, you will be able to go ahead and then actually figure out and enter the payment details in order to successfully rent the movie. That's all it takes to rent movies on Amazon Prime Video. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.